Why a DIY website might be costing you more than you think. You built your own website to save money, but what if that free site is quietly leaking leads, trust, and time every single day? No errors, no alerts, just silence. Most DIY websites don't fail loudly, they fail quietly. Visitors come, something feels off, and they leave, without clicking, calling, or trusting. You never see the exit, you just feel the drop. Here's what we see every week with DIY builds. No clear next step. Visitors feel unsure. Missing trust cues. Visitors hesitate. Bad mobile layout. Frustration builds. Slow loading. Confidence drops instantly. And here's the worst part. Most owners don't know it's happening until calls dry up. These aren't small mistakes. They're deal breakers. Cost number 1, your time. Let's be honest, you didn't launch a business to wrestle with plugins and page builders. Every hour tweaking your DIY site is an hour not spent closing deals or growing your team. A website is supposed to save time, not become another job. Cost number 2, your credibility. Your customers don't know your site was DIY. They don't know you spent hours getting it just okay. All they see is slow load time, unprofessional. Outdated layout, maybe they're small. Clunky navigation, I'll look elsewhere. That's trust, gone in 5 seconds. Eventually, every smart business owner realizes DIY isn't saving them money, it's costing them opportunity. That's the moment they stop patching and start partnering. Because real developers don't just build websites, they build systems that attract trust, filter serious buyers, work 24/7, and make it easy to take action. We've helped over 50 small service businesses go from DIY and stuck to booked and scalable. From HVAC teams to home cleaners, plumbers to salon owners, no templates, no guesswork, just results fast. First drafts in 72 hours, unlimited revisions, and no long-term contracts ever. If your site looks fine but your phone's not ringing, it's time to fix the silent leak. Let Engage build the site your business deserves. Fast, strategic, fully managed. You focus on your work, we'll handle the rest. www.engageyourbiz.com. Engage your business, our expertise.